Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both sets. Charge each AirPods Pro and their cases to avoid interruptions. Once done, make sure your iPhone or Mac runs the latest OS so Bluetooth profiles match. Open both cases side by side and keep the earbuds inside. This triggers pairing mode reliably. You do this because synchronized initial states reduce conflicts and up-to-date firmware prevents compatibility errors. Now, keep the devices within a few inches of the host device to begin the pairing sequence immediately. You pair the first AirPods Pro by enabling Bluetooth on your host device and selecting the headset when it appears. Press and hold the case button until the LED blinks white. This places that set into discoverable mode. Choose the displayed AirPods Pro name and tap Connect. You want to confirm prompts and allow audio access. Once connected, test audio briefly so you know this set works as the primary. Make sure to label or note which physical case paired to avoid confusion when adding the second set. You now add the second AirPods Pro by opening its case and holding the setup button until the LED blinks white, then selecting its name on the host device. Because you already paired the first set, the host may handle both but prioritize one for calls. Adjust audio routing in Bluetooth settings or Control Center. If pairing fails, make sure to forget problematic entries and reset the set that won't pair. As a final tip, reset both cases and start over if connections clash. This clears stale pairing data and resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.